you are still doing well. Hope your week is going great. I still miss you, but we are going to plug right along. Today's lesson is 18-2. Again, still working on fractions as division. I've sent the paperwork, workbook pages, whatever you want to call them, in your email. So again, you can either print those off or you can just follow along with lined paper or scratch paper, whatever works best for you and your family. We're going to start on page 379, just like we would in class. So go ahead and grab your either scratch paper or printed off pages and we'll get started. All right, friends, this is the problem on page 379. Follow along here or on your page in front of you. I'm going to read it since we can't all share read, which is a bummer, but we're making it work. So, Jared, Monica, and Heather have 5 hallways to decorate for the student council. If they share the work equally, how much will each student decorate? First of all, what's important is that we know that there are 3 people. 1, 2, 3. Jared, Monica, and Heather. We also know what's important is that there are 5 hallways. We want to know that they are shared equally. I guess we don't want to know. We're going to need to use that information in order to determine how much will each student decorate. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, please, and you guys work on this problem. Again, try not to just come up with an equation, but try to come up with a picture or a model to support your thinking. Here's how I would do it. Again, lots of many ways, but here's just one way that you can go about doing it, showing it with a picture. First of all, I'm going to start that there are 5 hallways. So I'm going to show the 5 hallways, again with just the boxes. 1, 2. And each hallway, we know that there are 3 people to share it equally. So I'm going to divide it into thirds. And then I'm just going to label within the box that Jared gets this part. Cool. So this is the picture. I can then think, okay, Jared gets 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. That 5th hallway. So common denominator when we're adding fractions, and we already have that. So we can just add our numerators for a total of 5. My denominators, thirds. 5/3 is where we could stop. 5/3 is a correct answer. This is an improper fraction. I would like to see you change it to a mixed number by dividing the numerator divided by the denominator. So 5 divided by 3, which we've talked about before, would be 1 with a remainder 2. Remember, my remainder becomes my new numerator. So 1 and 2/3. So we could answer it now. If they share the work equally, how much will each student decorate? They'll each decorate 1 and 2/3 of a hallway. Some of you, again, similar to what we did on Monday or earlier this week, you may have already just looked at it with saying that there are 5 hallways that need to be divided equally among 3 people. You may have come up with 5/3 and then again simplified it from an improper fraction to a mixed number of 1 and 2/3. Either way is great. I hope some of you guys even came up with other ways. Again, 1 and 2/3 or 5/3 would be the correct answer. I hope you're doing well. Your assignment today, 381, 382, 383, and 384. It's kind of a bigger assignment, so take it at your own pace, guys. On Friday, again, I will send the email with the answer keys out for you. So again, work as you need to, take breaks. I will meet with you guys on Zoom. Again, Mrs. Olson's at 12:30, Miss Gentry at 1:15, and Miss Dell at 2 o'clock. You don't have to join just your homeroom, if one of these other times fit better into your schedule, I will be there. So look forward to seeing you guys. Look forward to answering any questions and checking in. Have a great day. Love you lots.